On my channel here, y'all, some of the things that I've unboxed, right, I've talked about is gaming consoles, TVs, PC components, even VR headsets, and even gaming monitors, right? But today, man, what I have to show you guys is something that you didn't even know that you needed until you actually got one. And this right here, y'all, is the Dreame X50 Ultra. So let's talk about it. Now, robots here, man, are slowly but surely making its mark in a major way when it comes to the world of tech. And one of the things that I've personally accepted in my home, and that is robot vacuum cleaners. Now, I'm not on the, I'm not on the Tesla robot yet, but we getting there, baby steps. Now, Dreame, man, has sent over the X50 Ultra here for me to go ahead and check out and show to you guys. And they've also sponsored today's video, so, drop a W in the comments for them right now, all right? So the Dreame X50 Ultra here, y'all, is the most advanced and seamless smart home cleaning solution for those tech-savvy people out there, and I would even say for those non-tech-savvy people out there, right? It's an all-in-one cleaning solution for your home that can not only just vacuum your home, but it can also mop your floors for you. Again, making you lazy in your home because, who don't want to be lazy within their home, right? Because none of us like cleaning up or anything like that, right? And it also has just next level AI as well as LiDAR and radar technology and 6 key features that I want to show you right now in this video. Now, the first you didn't know that you needed it until you actually got one reason is, let's go ahead and start off with the ProLeap system, which is probably, in my opinion, one of the favorite features and something that I've yet to see on other robotic vacuum cleaners to even be able to do. And yes, I've had my fair share of them, all right? Now, the ProLeap system features robotic retractable legs, which will lift the entire chassis up, allowing the robot to navigate over complex terrains like high door sills or even small steps. And in my case, something kind of like the fireplace marble as well. Now, the reason this is important is because a lot of the time, vacuums will get stuck and you will have to find it in the house somewhere. Then you have to stop it, and then you got to stop it from being stuck, and then you have to press the resume cleaning button, hoping that it won't get stuck again, and then you're stuck in this whole cycle again, all right? Now, this advanced system right here prevents this vacuum from getting stuck at all, ensuring a seamless and efficient cleaning every single time. And even with its integrated shock absorption systems, it will prevent harsh collisions as well as help keep noise levels low in any environment with a 30,000 retractable leg cycle use. So, I mean, I guess you could say, yeah, it's built to last, all right? Now, the second you didn't know that you needed it until you actually got one reason is the VersaLift navigation. Now, this feature right here, y'all, when I first saw it, I was like, okay, y'all, this thing right here, we in the future, all right? Now, let me show you what I mean. Now, how many of you guys out there, right, have low furniture in your home? And anytime you've been vacuuming, you've been always having troubles getting underneath that piece of furniture. Exactly. Listen, I know I'm not the only one, all right? So, on the top of this X50 Ultra here, it has DTOF or direct time of flight sensors that is used for 360-degree scanning. Now, once it scans your entire room, which it can identify up to 200 types of objects in a home. So that includes your couch, your dining tables, your side tables, whatever it might be, it can detect what also potential low furnitures might be within your home. So what it will do is lower the direct time of flight sensor on the top and use advanced cameras and intelligent algorithms to avoid obstacles in low to ground spaces, such as underneath your sofa, your chairs, your tables, or even low beds, right? It also uses a front view V-SLAM navigation, which is actually a first of its kind by Dreame, using a front AI camera for planning as well as obstacle avoidance, keeping the success rate at 100% in these areas. Now, you guys are probably sitting there like me. You're like, well, see, kid, how low can my furniture actually be in order for the X50 to be able to even clear underneath the furniture? Good question. I'm glad you asked, because your furniture can be between 89 to 130 millimeters. And as long as you're in that range, listen, you good to go. It's going to get all underneath there, all right? Now, the third, you didn't know that you needed it until you actually got one reason, and that is the 20,000 PA Vormax suction that delivers y'all a powerful deep cleaning that effortlessly removes dust as well as debris from both carpets as well as hard floors. Now, the Dreame X50 Ultra here has a turbo force motor that can spin up to 90,000 RPM to be able to remove a lot of the debris from deep floor gaps that you guys may have, or scraps of paper, or if you guys are like me, you a pet owner, a lot of that fine dog hair, or even if you're a cat lover, then you have your cat litter, dust, even human hair, and a bunch of other things. And the noise level, in my opinion, y'all, is also low as well as in performance, which is a good thing because most of the time whenever I have my Dreame X50 Ultra running, I'm either usually watching TV or gaming while I'm in my space right here and just letting the robot vacuum cleaner do its thing while I be at home and be lazy, because Again, why not be lazy in your own home? Now, the fourth, you didn't know that you needed it until you actually got one reason. And this is probably one of the best things, y'all, that I honestly love about this robot vacuum cleaner since I've been using it. And that is the Hyper Stream Detangling Dual Brush, y'all. Fellas and ladies will both appreciate this for completely different reasons, all right? Now, fellas is gonna like this feature here because we no longer have to see our significant other's hair everywhere, and ladies will appreciate it because now they don't have to hear their significant other's mouth complaining about their hair being all over the place, all right? So it's a win-win situation. Now, the HyperStream Detangling Dual Brush here is an innovative dual brush system that prevents hair entanglement up to 30 centimeters long or 11 inches for those metric converting nerds out there, all right? Now, with the combination of TPU rubber brush as well as bristle rubber brushes, it can enhance cleaning power for various types of home flooring. Unique air ducts can also lift as well as remove hair effectively while still maintaining low noise levels. But what I actually love as being a pet owner like myself is I don't really have to worry about my dog's hair ever getting caught in the robot vacuum cleaner in itself. And to me, y'all, this is a huge time saver because now I don't have to manually take the whole vacuum cleaner apart and untangle all of the hair and different things like that, regardless of the floor type that you have. And a huge win for this vacuum cleaner to me is the enhanced side brush that is perfect for tight corners as well as under furniture because most robot vacuums do not touch corners. Listen, I repeat, most robot vacuum cleaners do not touch corners. The fact that it can extend the arm and get into those tight spaces, y'all, is a major win in my book and a huge selling point. And that also includes the mop as well, which is, listen, man, it's a W, all right? Now, the fifth, you didn't know that you needed it until you got one reason, and that is the advanced AceClean dryboard system. Now, you're probably sitting there, you're wondering, C-Kid, with all of this effective cleaning, most likely I'm actually going to have to do some deep, thorough cleaning of underneath the X50 Ultra to be able to clean a lot of the mop pads off and be able to clean off of the roller brushes and the bristles and all of that. Listen, to answer that question for you, no. You won't have to do any of that, man. You can continue sitting in your house, being lazy as you want to be when it comes to cleaning your home because it features, y'all, a 20 temperature spray nozzle or a spotless streak-free washboard. Listen, that means no more manual scrubbing that is needed. It will automatically handle cleaning as well as drying as well as dirty water removal, which will also help prevent odors and give you guys extra time back into your day to be able to spend doing, something else that you might want to do, whether it's gaming, whether it's watching your favorite TV show, playing with your pets, because again, you can let their hair go anywhere because the X50 Ultra got you, all right? So with the base, man, you have your clean water as well as your dirty water tanks, and once it has completed the cleaning cycle, it will go ahead and dump the dirty water from the X50 Ultra into the dirty tank, and then it's going to refill the robot vacuum with clean water to be able to finish cleaning if it's needed. And when it's actually done vacuuming, it will pull all of the dirty debris that was picked up off of your floor into the dustbin that goes into the bag that's right here. Then using hot air will auto dry everything and be ready for the next use. I'm telling y'all, it is a really seamless system. And the last sixth feature that you didn't know that you needed it until you actually got one reason, and that has to be the next level smart mapping feature as well as the application that goes along with this system, which kind of actually goes back to the beginning of this video, which uses intelligent AI enhanced mapping features to be able to gather precision mapping of your space. So when you guys get yours first and get it all connected up to the application, it will go ahead and run through your home and map out objects in your home like furniture, tabletops, flooring, side tables, as well as limitations of where it can as well as can't go, like stairs and other different areas that you guys may mark off, right? Now, once that's actually mapped out, you get the option inside of the app to be able to view mapping as well as rename each room as well as create separate spaces. So if you guys ever just want to clean, let's say, the living room area or just clean one room like the kitchen, you can also just set it, press it, and it will go ahead and clean that one room because you now have it dedicated inside of the app. Also, another cool feature, man, in the app is the remote control feature where you guys can actually control it through the app and control the full movements of the X50 Ultra manually, which to me is actually really dope. But there you guys have it, man. That is the 6 reasons why I feel like you guys should actually check out the Dreame X50 Ultra. I'll have a link for you guys down in the description section below, as well as the pinned comment for you guys to be able to check out and learn a little bit more about it, as well as go ahead and pick up one for yourself. If you guys enjoyed this video, then go ahead and give this video a like, as well as thanks to Dreame for sponsoring today's video. See you guys in the next one. Squad, we out.